Wow, this restaurant looks nice.
Yes, I heard the food is really good here.
I'm so hungry.
Me too. Let's sit here.
Okay, this table is good.
Here's the menu.
Thank you.
What do you want to eat?
I think I want the chicken pasta.
That sounds good. I want the beef burger.
With fries?
Yes, of course.
Let's also order some water.
Good idea.
Excuse me, can we order, please?
We would like the chicken pasta and the beef burger.
And 2 waters, please.
Thank you.
This place is really nice.
Yes, I like the music too.
How was your day?
It was busy. I had a lot of meetings.
That sounds tiring.
A little, but I'm happy now.
Why?
Because I'm having lunch with you.
That's sweet.
Oh, the food is here.
It smells amazing.
Let's eat.
This pasta is really good.
My burger is great too.
Can I try a fry?
Sure, go ahead.
That's tasty.
I know, right?
We should come here again.
I agree.
How is your burger?
Very good. Not too oily.
Nice.
Do you want more water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
No problem.
I'm getting full.
Me too. But it's so good.
I know. I can't stop eating.
Same here.
Should we get dessert?
Maybe later.
Okay.
This was a great lunch.
Yes, it really was.
I think we can ask for the bill now.
Sure.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Thank you.
Here it is.
Let me get my wallet.
Okay.
Wait,
What's wrong?
I can't find my wallet.
What? Really?
Yes, it's not in my bag.
Did you check the other pocket?
Yes, I checked everywhere.
Oh, no.
I think I left it at home.
That's okay. Don't worry.
I'm so sorry.
It's not a big problem.
Really?
Yeah, I can pay today.
Are you sure?
Of course. Don't feel bad.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. This happens sometimes.
I feel a little embarrassed.
Don't be. It's just a wallet.
I promise I will pay you back.
You don't have to worry about that now.
No, I want to.
Okay, if you want.
I can send you the money later today.
That's fine.
Thank you for understanding.
Of course, we're friends.
You're a good friend.
You would do the same for me.
Yes, definitely.
See? No problem.
I feel better now.
Good.
Next time, I will check my bag before we leave.
That's a good idea.
I was in a hurry this morning.
That happens.
I put my phone in my bag but forgot the wallet.
It's an easy mistake.
I usually keep it in the same pocket.
Maybe you moved it yesterday.
Yes, I think I did.
See, that explains it.
You're right.
Don't worry about it anymore.
Okay.
Let me pay now.
All right.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The waiter is coming.
Good.
I will remember to bring my wallet next time.
I know you will.
This was still a nice lunch.
Yes, it was.
Even with this small problem.
It's not a big deal at all.
I really appreciate your help.
Anytime.
Should we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Wait, let me check my bag one more time.
Okay.
Oh, I found my phone wallet app.
Really?
Yes, I can pay with my phone too.
Oh, that's good to know.
But you already paid.
It's fine. I can use the app payment next time.
Okay, deal.
Let's go home now.
Sure.
Do you need a ride?
Yes, please.
No problem.
Thank you for today.
You're welcome.
I had a really good time.
Me too.
Next time, lunch is on me.
Sounds good.
I promise.
I believe you.
Let's go.
After you?
Thank you.
No problem at all.